announce the top 20. Shall we begin, Asmita?
Well, I believe it's about time to announce the top 20 finalists. And ladies and gentlemen, the first contestant to make it to the top 20 of Miss Universe India 2025 is contestant number 32, Rouge Sindhu.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the second lady advancing to the top 20 is contestant number 24, Ojasvi Sharma.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, making her spot in the top 20 is contestant number 3, Amishi Kaushik.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fourth lady proceeding towards the crown is contestant number 31, Rizal Singh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next lady to make it to the top 20 is contestant number 48, Wachi Pare.
Five spots filled, 15 more to go, and the sixth one proceeding towards the crown is contestant number 42, Smriti Chhabra.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 10, Evelyn Zachingpui.
The next lady moving forward towards that crown is contestant number 26, Radhika Singhal.
And next up in the top 20, we have contestant number 46, Vamshi Uday.
Ladies and gentlemen, completing our first group of 10 is contestant number 22, Mehak Dhingra.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for contestant number 35, Samiksha Singh.
Now advancing towards top 20 is contestant number 29, Nirupama.
Ladies and gentlemen, one step closer to the crown is contestant number 21, Manika Vishwakarma.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next woman making her spot in top 20 is contestant number 14, Kamakshi Atreya.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next lady into the top 20 is contestant number 43, Tanya Sharma.
Ladies and gentlemen, that completes our top 15 and 5 more spots left. The next woman who still has a chance at winning that crown is contestant number 28, Ravi Tanaya Sharma.
Ladies and gentlemen, another step closer to the crown is contestant number 30, Riya Dirgi.
With 17 spots filled and just 3 more to go, the next woman still in the running is contestant number 1, Aishwarya Srinivasan.
Two more spots left, ladies and gentlemen. And the next one to enter top 20 is contestant number 6, Asmita Chaudhary.
"19 out of 20 spots are filled. Just 1 more spot left." And ladies and gentlemen, making her way to the top 20 by winning Miss Popular, she gets a direct entry to top 20, 37, Saranthan Nirupama. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the top 20 of Miss Universe India 2025.